So, you want to make rocks in Blender? It's really easy. You can make any kind of rock in a couple of minutes. Let's see how you can do that. Blender comes with an add-on to generate rocks. Open a new Blender project and go to Edit, Preferences, and Add-ons. There you can search for extra objects. Enable that and close the window. Now delete the default cube and press Shift A for the Add menu. Now you can see some new things in the Mesh menu. For now, select Rock Generator. Now you have a rock. You can customize this as you like from the menu that appears in the bottom left corner. With these settings, you can change things like scale, deformation, roughness, detail level, and much more. Just play around and generate a rock as you like. You can even select the presets if you want. It has some presets for ice, sandstone, river rock, asteroid, and fake ocean. Once you have generated a rock or multiple rocks in my case, you can move on to the shading part. Go to the shading tab and create a new material. I'm going to name it Rock 1. You can use image textures to make a PBR material, but I'm going to show you how to make a simple procedural rock material just using a couple of nodes. Press Shift A and add a noise texture. Plug the color to the base color, then add a color ramp node to change the color of the material. You can change the gradient by clicking on the color bar at the bottom. And you can add more points to the slider by clicking on the plus button. Play around with the gradient sliders and also the noise texture. You can change the scale, detail, and roughness as you like in the noise texture. After getting some color, let's add another color ramp. Plug the noise texture's color to the factor input and color output to the roughness input. Now you can control the roughness of the material by sliding the points in the color ramp. Rocks tend to be pretty rough, so I'm going to leave it like that for now. To add more details to the rock, I'm going to use a bump node. Plug the color output of the color ramp to the height input and plug the normal to the normal input of the BSDF node. You will have to reduce the strength to get good looking bumps on the rocks. You can add more details from the noise texture and maybe change the scale a bit. You can always go back and forth with the settings in the nodes to get your expected result. I'll make a couple of more materials to show you the different possibilities you can get with this node setup. You can make all kinds of rocks, for example sandstone, asteroids, and even colorful stylized stones. It's up to your creativity. These materials are very lightweight and work in both EV and Cycles engines perfectly. This is a particle system with lots of these stones rendering in cycles, almost real time. Pretty cool, right? That's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching.